Hey guys, in a world where beauty brands seem to sprout like wildflowers, one name has consistently stood out: Rihanna. From her chart-topping hits to her groundbreaking Fenty Beauty line, the singer has become a powerhouse in the beauty industry. Now, she's set to take another bold step with the launch of Fenty Hair. This new venture promises to revolutionize hair care, just as her makeup line did for cosmetics. But what can we expect from Fenty Hair, and how will it elevate our hair care routines? Let's dive in. Rihanna has always championed inclusivity, and her beauty lines reflect that ethos. Fenty Beauty, launched in 2017, made waves with its extensive range of foundation shades, catering to all skin tones. This commitment to diversity has not only set new industry standards, but also inspired countless brands to rethink their approach to beauty. With Fenty Hair, we anticipate a similar dedication to catering to all hair types, textures, and styles. When a global icon like Rihanna enters a new market, the impact is profound. Her influence extends far beyond music. She shapes trends and sets standards. The beauty industry is no stranger to celebrity-led brands, but Rihanna's unique approach, grounded in authenticity and real-world experience, distinguishes her from the pack. Fenty Hair is expected to harness Rihanna's personal journey with her own hair. As someone who has experimented with various styles and textures, her insights will undoubtedly inform the development of products that resonate with consumers. Fans can anticipate a line that not only embodies her aesthetic, but also reflects her journey of self-expression through hair. What sets Fenty Hair apart from other hair care lines is likely to be its focus on innovative formulations. Rihanna has always pushed boundaries, and this new venture will probably follow suit. Imagine products infused with natural ingredients that promote hair health while delivering stunning results. From nourishing shampoos and conditioners to styling gels and serums, each product may be designed to enhance the natural beauty of your hair. Imagine a platform where fans can connect, share their experiences with Fenty Hair products, and showcase their unique styles. This community-driven approach would not only foster a sense of belonging, but also empower individuals to embrace their hair in all its glory. As the launch of Fenty Hair approaches, excitement is palpable among beauty enthusiasts. Social media buzz has already begun, with fans speculating about the types of products that will be included in the line. Will there be a signature styling tool? What about color treatments for those looking to switch things up? The possibilities are endless, and the anticipation is building. Rihanna's marketing strategy is known for its innovative and engaging campaigns. We can expect a launch that captures attention and sparks conversations. Whether through sneak peeks on social media, influencer collaborations, or pop-up events, the hype surrounding Fenty Hair is sure to create a sense of urgency and excitement. This empowerment extends beyond just hair. It resonates with a broader message of self-love and acceptance. As Rihanna has shown through her music and beauty lines, embracing one's individuality is key to confidence and self-expression. Rihanna is poised to make waves once again. With her commitment to inclusivity, innovative formulations, and a community-driven approach, Fenty Hair promises to be more than just a line of products. It's set to be a movement. Rihanna's vision for Fenty Hair offers a refreshing perspective. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good, embracing individuality, and celebrating the beauty of diversity. As the countdown to the launch begins, one can't help but feel excited for what's to come. Will Fenty Hair be the next big thing in beauty? Only time will tell, but if history has taught us anything, it's that Rihanna rarely misses the mark. Keep your eyes peeled. This is one launch you won't want to miss.